Airlines, buong puso po namin kayong tinatanggap dito sa PR into P2889 patungong Ozamis. Mabuhay! Ladies and gentlemen, this is your flight PR into P2889 na right depart for Ozamis. To manage this aircraft is Captain S.P. Palolan, assisted by First Officer Kevin Bernardo. Our flying time is approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes. We shall be cruising at an altitude of 25,000 feet.
Dugay din no? 1 hour.
Asal tu tak betul dah. Asal.
It is important that you are familiar with the safety features of this aircraft. That you have learned P400 Next Gen. Please watch your cabin crew. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt, buckle and pull. To unfasten your strap of buckle, pull free and release.
Wala goro.
Your life vests are found under your seat. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push ends to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the two inflation cords at the lower end. If the life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency light and path markings will lead you to these exits during evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened. Seat backs in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets. Window shades open and your tray table stowed. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Dugay ang tuyok. Tuyok na, tuyok na.